Big data deals with sets of data traveling to another location that are too big or complicated to be dealt with by normal processing data software. It is quite the obvious when it comes to the name. The data is big. Now, the main question going through your head may be what I can possibly be loading that is considered big data. Surprisingly enough, sites such as Instagram, Snapchat, or any other social media website is considered big data. As well, if you are involved with the stocks, whenever you pull up any stock market website, it is also considered big data. Even Amazon is. A little fun fact about big data in Canada, it is the second best country for using big data right now, right behind the United States. Me personally, I would have thought it would have been China or Russia, but nope, it is Canada. With all this talk about Canada and big data, how are they putting it to work? Canada is already supplied with the necessary parts to completing their goal of dominating big data. With achieving these goals, they would be able to lead to an increased business exports throughout the country. As well, big data will increase the work productivity from all types of companies. They have already found that with some of the top performing companies in Canada, that those who scored the highest were using the best of the big data. They were more likely to be in the top quartile within their industry, make decisions faster, and looks up data whenever they are making such decisions. Companies are also able to track what employees were doing in the workplace to complete tasks to possibly set up adequate time frames for projects. Employers will be able to look at the data researched for their companies and see how long it takes for everything to be set up and determine who is actually working on the project after everything has been completed. Other companies are starting to take a general survey of their customers to give an estimated statistic for the company. For instance, internet providers could find what times most of their customers use their devices and come up with new projects to help the rush. As well, they can take information from the public businesses to see what kind of work each customers are doing to possibly come out with new marketing approaches. Now for a good 2 truths and a lie. Good luck. 1. Google is considered one of the top dominating big data companies. 2. Online shopping does not need as big of data waves as looking at a photo. Or 3. How we are using big data is always being tracked and monitored by data scientists. And the lie is number 2. Every time we get on Amazon, we are using big data like I mentioned. In fact, Amazon is up there with Google as being one of the top dominating big data companies.